Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to test your speakers on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. This process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to scan the QR code using your mobile device to access your account. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. From there, click on Settings. This will open up a new panel where you can adjust various preferences for your WhatsApp experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and click on Video and Voice. This section is specifically designed to manage audio and video settings for calls and other features. Now, here's the key step. You'll see an option labeled Play Test Sound. Click on it. This feature will play a sample sound through your speakers, allowing you to confirm whether they are working correctly. If you hear the sound clearly, your speakers are functioning as expected. If you don't hear anything, double-check your PC's volume settings and ensure that your speakers are properly connected. You might also want to verify that WhatsApp has permission to access your audio devices in your system settings. And that's it. Testing your speakers on WhatsApp for PC is as simple as these 4 steps. Open the app, go to Settings, navigate to Video and Voice, and click Play Test Sound. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.